Hello. I'm gonna show you my new gun. It's this. So you do like this. So you like shoot a ball like that. And it's as you can see right there. It's an automatic pump action, ultra blast. It landed in. And that's it.